Today, I'm going to show you how to create a slingshot using force and motion. You'll need packing tape, scissors, 2 rubber bands, a pencil, 2 toilet paper rolls, and paper. First, cut all the way through the roll. Make the roll a bit tighter and tape at the middle and the end. Make the roll flat and cut out a small diamond-shaped hole on both sides. Stick the pencil through both holes and put this roll aside. Take the second roll and cut on one side, then the other side, about a ½ inch deep to create 2 tabs. Hook the rubber bands onto the tabs. Then tape to secure in place. Slide the first roll into the second roll, then stretch both rubber bands, one at a time, to hook onto the pencil. Now the slingshot is ready to go. To create a ball, we need a piece of paper and tape. You can rip it in half. Then crumple the paper and tape it around. Try some games. Number 1, how far did you launch your ball? Number 2, knock down a paper roll. Number 3, catch the ball. Number 4, create your own game. This is game 1.
My ball flew 5 millifeet away.
Game 2. And game 3. See you next time!